Prime Minister Scott Morrison has unveiled a plan that includes vaccine passports for Australia's pathway to COVID normal.
We have agreed a new deal for Australians on the pathway out of COVID-19.
After a national cabinet meeting, the PM said state and territory leaders had agreed to a 4-phase plan tied to vaccination thresholds.
The first phase is the one we're in. Vaccinate, prepare and pilot, where we continue to suppress the virus. That involves the implementation of the National Vaccination Plan to offer every Australian an opportunity to be vaccinated with the necessary doses of the relevant vaccine as soon as possible.
The government also agreed to state leaders' demands for a 50% reduction in international arrivals to reduce the pressure on quarantine facilities and reduce further spread risk of the Delta COVID variant. In a controversial move, the Prime Minister revealed vaccination passports will be introduced for international travel.
We will put in place a digital vaccination authentication at border. We will recognise and adopt the Commonwealth's existing digital Medicare vaccination certificate that is automatically generated for every vaccination. So that is something that's already there now. By the end of this month, as I've said to you before, it will be at another level, which would see it being able to be incorporated in things like Apple Wallets and the like.
The second phase of the plan will begin after a national vaccination threshold is reached, determined by scientific modelling and to be confirmed in coming weeks. The third consolidation phase will have authorities managing COVID-19 consistent with other infectious disease management to bring the average COVID hospitalisation and fatality rates in line with something like the flu. The fourth phase was described as Australia returning back to normal, where measures could include opening the border to vaccinated people.